Alright guys, I got this cool charger. It's a smart battery charger. It's pretty neat. It's from Sailnovo, and what I like about this is it has a nice screen that'll show you what your battery level is, and it can do a trickle charge. If your battery is just destroyed, it'll actually go into repair mode. It can do all different kinds of batteries, 6 volt, 12 volt. It does DC power, and it's pretty simple. So basically what you would do is plug this in, and then you have different connections. You can just do your standard. This is the one I'm going to use. Just the alligator clips, red to red, black to black. It'll read your battery. You could also do a more permanent. So like say you're in Michigan or someplace where it just gets freezing. If you just connect these to your battery and just permanently, then it's really easy to connect this to it and you could just charge it up. And then you also have this. So you can do power through like a cigarette lighter. But I am going to go ahead and use the alligator clips for now. So let's see what it looks like. So I'm going to connect this first, and as soon as I plug this in, it should just start working even without power. I'm going to do the red first, then I'm going to do the negative. The screen's already lit up, 12.6, shows it's got a good charge, it's already full. Now if I plug this in, and then boom, just like that, it's at 13.4, 13.3. It's already pretty charged, so now it's just going up. What I like about this is it's also a trickle charger, and what's neat about that is you could just kind of let it go and it'll turn off on its own. So, all right guys, just a little closer look. So you see I got my red to red, black to black. It's charging 14.4, 14.2, it's full, it's good. If I unplug it, you see the screen is still going, so that way you can at least go out, check your battery, see what the level's at, and then yeah, if you need to charge it, leave it on. But it's a trickle charger. I'm definitely happy with this. So check it out, Sailnovo, and hey, it's even red. Like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Appreciate you.